Hey guys, Chlorine King here, time for another vlog. Today's topic is wind, and let's talk about it and how it affects you and all that good stuff. So, in short, wind is going to be one of those natural enemies that you can't stand, and it's always going to be sitting there laughing at you when you're cleaning the pool. You could sit there and get that pool, the surface of the pool, just perfect, and then wind blows a bunch of crap in at the end of your visit, and you're sitting there trying to get it all clean again. The question is, where do you draw the line on how much extra time you spend there in the middle of a big windstorm, if you want to call it that, versus just leaving? Well, if there's an overtone for my vlogs, it's this: any reasonable person. I know you guys have heard me say that in several of my videos, and it's true. Any reasonable person will understand that if you're out there busting your butt trying to get that surface cleaned off with your net, and stuff just keeps coming in as quickly as you get it out, at some point you got to call it quits and hang it up. Because chances are, if you're sitting there doing that and all that wind and you get it perfectly clean, as soon as you leave, it's going to be nailed, just have a bunch of stuff back on the surface. So again, any reasonable person will understand if they sit there and know that you're out there busting your butt and you can't get it out quicker than it comes in, they have to understand that. If not, I would seriously consider reevaluating your business relationship with them. We can't, no matter what we do, we cannot guarantee the pool's going to be perfect all week anyways. So for them to expect you to get the pool perfectly cleaned off when there's the middle of a hellacious windstorm, sometimes it's impossible. So you need to just hang it up for that visit. Now, where do you draw the line? What do? What I do, if I have to go around after, because I skim in the beginning before I do anything to get stuff off the tile line and all that. If I go through my service and I have to skim the pool, go around 3 more times because so much stuff keeps coming in, that's usually where I call it quits. Or, anywhere from 5, 8, 10 minutes of skimming the pool after I'm already done with my visit for my final skim. At that point, I tell them I did the best I could, and I'll be back next week to get anything that comes in out. That's all you can do. You can't spend hours upon hours of sitting there skimming the surface, just hoping that the wind dies long enough for you to get it clean, because you know what? As soon as you do, the wind's going to come back. So be reasonable, be respectful, and stay tuned for more videos, and have a great day.